Hi beautiful people, welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to do a simple bout cap method step by step. So for today's look we're using a model with a short hair. So if the person you're working with has like a long hair, you can weave the hair like into cornrows and make sure it's flat, and then you proceed to taming the edges like you can see in the video. Then wear your cap and cut behind the ear. So let me show you from here. So you see it here behind the ear, so that once you drop it, the ear can sit and it will lap. So this is the first thing you want to make sure. So watch the video, enjoy the process. At this point I'll say take your time to dry, make sure it's well dried before you go into cutting. Now you go into melting the wig cap to the skin, still with the same hold spray, and then you use your dryer and follow it through with a tail comb. When you're done with this, make sure that all parts of the cap is sleeping right on top of the client's head, and you're good to go. This is what we have at the end. Bout cap, it's seamless, no powder, no foundation. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.